Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today. Yes, it's today War Day number 840. 840 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, June the 12th, 2024. And we have here three regular puzzles. One of them I've already solved, the 3 stars Sudoku. So two puzzles are left, the binary and the 4 stars Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will continue with these two regular puzzles. And the first one I will continue is the 4 star Sudoku. 4 star Sudoku number 8703. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot. 27 printed digits. Usually the 4 stars puzzle has 24 printed digits. I need 30 minutes or more. Well, this one has 27. Should be a 1-star puzzle. For 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We will see if this is a 1-star or 4 stars puzzle. So let's get started. 2 in this column, last column, 2 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 7. Need a 9 here. Okay. Then. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only 3 places left, the 7 should be here, or there. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 in the second row, no 7 there. The only place left, the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left, the 7 should be there. 7 in the last row. 7 in the row above, so in that row, the only place left, the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. On the last column, the only 3 places left of the 7 should be here, or there. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. The only place left of the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 7. Alright. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left of the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left of the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left of the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only 2 places left on the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there, 9 in the second column, no 9 there, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can't see. Digit number 2, number 9. 1, okay. Then, let me see. How about the 8 in this row, the 8 in that row, so in the row between. The middle row, the only 2 places left, the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Need a 5 here. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, the only place left of the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left of the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in the Wait. Need a 5 here. Okay. Need a 5 there. Okay. So I need a 5 here. The 5 should be there. In the last row, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. Oh, wait. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in the second column. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers are 5. Here can be 5. We have 5 in the first row. No 5 there. Here can be 5. We have 5 in the third row. No 5 there. Here can be 5. We have 5 in this row. No 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there in the second column. Here or there we see another 5 in this row. No 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. Alright. Let's need a 6 here. Need a 1. Need a 3. Then. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column. First column, no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. Need an 8 here. Yeah. Need a 1 here. 1 and the... Come on. This is taking too long. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 6. 3, 4, 6. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4 is missing. And the 5 and the 6 is missing. 3, 4, 6. 3, 4, 6. 3, 4, 6. 3, 4, 6. And look, we have 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 in that column, third column, no 6 there. The only place left for 6 should be here. 3 and 4 are left. Let me mark this. Hate to split those numbers. So I need a 6 here. And I need a 2 here. One of the missing number in this big square is number 2. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the third column. So the column between. The second column, the only 2 places left of the 6 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 6 and the 2, 6 and the 2. So one number left in the second column for number 1, the 2, 3 is missing here. Alright. And we have a pair. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3, 5, 8. 3, 5, 8, 3, 5, 8, 3, 5, 8. And look, we have 3 and 8 in the first column, so no 3 and 8 in this box. 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 5. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so this box can be 3 and more. This box should be a 4 then. That box in this row should be a 3. So 1 digit left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing here. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, and now need a 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places left, the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so in the column between. Middle column, the only 2 places left, 1 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers, no, not 2 numbers. Need a 2, 2, 2. Need a 2 here. Come on. Need a 5. We have all the 5s. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Yeah, digit number 3, number 5. Need 6 here. 6, 1, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. What is 6? 4. Come on. 1, 1. I'm thinking. Come on. 1, need a 2, 2, need a 4, 4. 5, need a 6, 7, 8, need an 8 here. In the middle column, you need an 8. We have 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these two boxes. So the 8 could be there. We see another 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1, 2, and the 4. 2. Need a 2 in the middle column. Here give me 2, we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. Here give me 2, we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. So the only place left 2 should be here. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there, so 1 is left in this column. Middle column for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, we have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 1 goes there. We have a pair, the 1 and the 6 in this row. The 1 and the 6 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. So 1 is left in this big square. For the number, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. On that column, the only place level 3 should be there. 3 and 8, we have 3 in the third row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers to 1. 2 is missing. 3 is missing. 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Let me mark those. Alright. Then. Let me see. Need a 3 here. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers to 1. The 2, the 3. 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6. 4 and the 6. Here also 4 and a 6. And I need a 1 here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column. No 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 and 6, we have 1 now in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 6 goes there. 4 or a 6 are left here. Here also 4 and the 6 are left here. 4, 6, and need an 8 here. 8 here. 8. Need an 8 here or there. You see another 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. So the 4 and the 6 are left. 8 in this row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 1 box left in the second row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, we have a 6 now in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 4 goes there. So we have 4 this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for 4. Could be here, could be there. I need a 2 here. And I need a 3 here. 2 and a 3. Wow. Here also 2 and the 3 are left. 2, 3, and the 4. 2, 3, and the 4. Come on. 4 and a 6. Did I made a mistake? 2 and a 3. 4 and a 6. We have a 4 now in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 6 goes there. 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 4 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with the 4. We have a 4 in this one. No 4 there. 4 should be here. So the 2 and the 3 are left. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 and the 3. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes in there. 6 and the 2. We have a 2 in the third row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Finished. 14 minutes. Wow. We solve it again. Faster than 50 minutes. Definitely a 1-star. Not the 4, not the 3, not the 2. A 1-star puzzle. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the third regular puzzle. Until then, bye-bye for now.